There could be several reasons why your keyboard arrow keys are not working. One of the reasons could be that your keyboard drivers are damaged or corrupted. So follow the instructions of this video to learn how to fix your arrow keys in a quick and easy way.
First, open your Start menu and then open your Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the Keyboard section. Press Run. Wait for your audio to be repaired. Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand the Keyboards section. Expand the Keyboards section. Right-click your keyboard and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select Standard PS2 keyboard. Press Next. Wait for your drivers to be updated. Press Yes to restart. Go back to Device Manager and expand the Keyboards section. Right-click your keyboard and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Press Uninstall. Press Uninstall again. Press Yes to restart. Right-click your keyboard and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for your drivers to be updated. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on Search for updates. Now wait for the updates to be installed.